Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about understanding application parts lists, APLs, in maintenance. Let's jump right into it. What is an APL? An application parts list, APL, is a comprehensive document that outlines the specific components, parts, and assemblies required for a particular application or system. In the context of maintenance, APLs serve as a crucial reference for technicians, engineers, and planners to ensure efficient and effective maintenance operations. The APL typically includes part numbers, specific numbers assigned to each part for easy identification. Part descriptions, detailed information about each component, including its function and specifications. Quantities, the number of each part required for maintenance tasks. Manufacturer details, information about the part's original equipment manufacturer, OEM. Stock levels, availability of the part in inventory or recommended reorder levels. Importance of APLs in op maintenance. Streamlined parts procurement. APLs provide a clear and concise list of parts needed, eliminating the guesswork and reducing the risk of ordering incorrect or unnecessary items. Efficient inventory management. By identifying the specific parts required, APLs help optimize inventory levels, preventing stockouts or excessive stockpiles. Accurate cost estimation. APLs assist in estimating the cost of maintenance tasks by providing a detailed breakdown of parts and their associated prices. Improved planning and scheduling. APLs enable maintenance teams to plan and schedule tasks more effectively by identifying the necessary resources and timelines. Enhanced troubleshooting. When faced with equipment failures or malfunctions, APLs can help technicians quickly identify potential causes and locate the required replacement parts. Creating and maintaining APLs. Gather information. Collect data from engineering drawings, equipment manuals, and previous maintenance records. Organize parts, group parts based on their function or location within the system. Verify accuracy. Review and validate the APL to ensure that all necessary parts are included and that the information is correct. Regular updates keep the APL up to date by incorporating changes due to upgrades, modifications, or obsolescence. Conclusion: the application parts list, APL, is a critical tool in maintenance management, helping to minimize downtime, improve inventory control, and streamline maintenance operations. By ensuring that the correct parts are readily available, it allows maintenance teams to work efficiently and keeps equipment running smoothly. Maintaining an accurate and up-to-date APL can enhance overall operational efficiency, reduce costs, and promote safety and compliance across the organization. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.